and away we go! Ladies and gentlemen, yeah! Eddie Hall lifts the half-ton, 500 kilograms is off the floor! 500 kilograms is no longer a myth! Eddie Hall owns the world!
Ir-rebbieħ tal-World Strongest Man il-Brittaniku Eddie Hall jinsab f'Malta bħala parti minn programm ġdid televiżiv bl-isem ta' Battle of the Beasts li se jinġibed bejn il-ħamis u s-sibt li ġejjin. Il-proġett mhux biss se jkompli jesponi lil pajjiżna barra minn xtutna u ma' eluf kbar ta' telespettaturi madwar id-dinja, iżda wkoll investiment dirett fl-industrija tal-films u t-televiżjoni lokali. One News tkellem mal-influencer Maltija Denise Għall li kienet strumentali biex bniedem ta' fama internazzjonali bħal Għall jinġib f'pajjiżna u l-producer tal-programm Matt Hookings.
And we've got 10 of the strongest athletes from all over the world coming to compete in Malta. We've got sumo wrestling, fooding competitions, which Denise is co-hosting as well. Deadlift, we have the Hercules hold. We've been putting this together for the last couple of years with the support of Visit Malta, and now we're here making it happen. So.
And my involvement in it is I'm co-hosting the eating challenge alongside Eddie Hall and Leah Shutkiva.
This is a show that's going to be international, all over the world, but it has to have that Malta essence and the feel of it. And having
so I am representing the
Malta,
country.
Having Denise involved is obviously a big help to the show as well. So yeah, very happy and proud. It's going to be huge. Battle of the Beast.
Finalment kellimna lill-protagonist innifsu Eddie Hall magħruf ukoll bħala The Beast wara li fl-2017 meta rebaħ it-titlu tal-aktar raġel b'saħħtu fid-dinja u sena qabel irnexxielu jirreġistra rekord dinji tad-deadlifts b'9 tunellata. Saqsejna lil Hall dwar ir-riżultati impressjonanti tiegħu u x'jaħseb dwar pajjiżna.
Lifting the half-ton deadlift, it just put me in a state of mind where I've done something so unique, so out there, so unbelievable, that if I can pull a world record deadlift so easy, then winning the world's strongest man. I came here a year ago, fell in love with the place. You know, the views, I mean, even stood here, we're not even in that nice an area, and even the views are spectacular. So the views, the culture, the food, the people, everything about the place just, you know, really resonates with me, brings me back down to earth. I think my legacy, I'd like to leave as a good father. You know, someone that's inspired his kids, someone that's gone and pushed through boundaries that people deemed were impossible, and just proved that hard work and consistency can equal greatness.